Hey everyone, it's time for arithmetic. I am going to show you how to do subtraction, big subtraction, with borrowing from the hundreds place. So we already know how to borrow from the tens place. This time we're going to borrow from the hundreds place. It's very, very similar. So let me add my boxes because we're used to having our boxes at the top to draw in. And then I want you to make sure that you have your highlighter. So I'm going to use a pink marker to show my highlighter. We always highlight, we draw our lines so that everything stays lined up. Everything stays in their place value. And then we circle the sign because we want to remember that we are subtracting for every single place value. We're not going to add one, subtract one, add another. We're going to subtract for all of them across. So first, we're going to always start in the ones place. Remember, you guys know we always start in the ones place. We go 3 minus 2. Can I do that? Yes or no? 3 minus 2? Yes, I can do that. So I'm going to do 3 minus 2 is 1. I'm going to actually use a different marker so you can see my answer clearly. My answer is 1. And then I look at the tens column. 2 minus 3. Can I do that? I can't do that because the smaller number is on top, and we can't take away from a smaller number. So if you guys remember, we need to go next door so that we can add 10 more. So we're going to go next door. We're going to cross out the 4. We always go down 1 from the one we're borrowing from. So 4 minus 1 would be 3. And then that helps us add 10 to the tens place. So if we add 10 to whatever's already here, 10 plus 2, that would make 12. Now we have 12 minus 3. Can I do that? Yes, I can. 12 minus 3 is 9. And then my hundreds column, 3 minus 1, can I do that? Yes, I can. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 423 minus 132, it's 291. It's not that much different from what we were doing before. We're just kind of scooting over where we borrow from. So let's try one more, and then I think you'll be ready to do it on your own. So remember our first step. Let me draw my boxes first. Your boxes should already be on your page, so you shouldn't have to worry about this part. And then our first actual step, we take our highlighter, we draw our lines, and circle the sign because I'm going to do subtraction all the way across. So I always start in the ones place. Always. 7 minus 6, can I do that? Yes, 7 is bigger than 6, so I can do that on my own. 7 minus 6 is 1. 1 minus 4, can I do that? No, I can't because 1 is smaller than 4. So that means I need to borrow from the neighbor. So I'm going to go next door up top and borrow from the 5. When I borrow, I take 1 away. So 5 minus 1, it makes it a 4. And that helps me carry 10 over to the middle, to the tens place, and add it to whatever's already there. 10 plus 1 makes 11. So now I have 11. Oops, I forgot to cross this out. 11 minus 4. Can I do that? Yes, I can. 11's much bigger. I can do 11 minus 4 is 7. Then I'm going to go to the hundreds place and subtract. 4 minus 2, can I do that? Yes, I can. 4 minus 2 is 2. So I have 517 minus 246 equals 271. I want to remind you to write your new numbers up in the boxes and to make sure you cross out the ones that you had to change. So I forgot to cross this one out. I'm going to go back and do that because I don't want to confuse myself and start subtracting 3 numbers. I just want to subtract my new number in the box and take away the bottom number that's still there. I hope that was helpful. You can let me know if you have any questions. I know it was kind of short and sweet. We already kind of know how to do this. We're just kind of extending our learning a little bit farther. So I hope you have a good day working on this and it's not too hard, but you can definitely let me know if you have any questions. All right, I'll see you later.